Hey guys, I'm here with batch three, and it's been a while. I haven't been on YouTube in a minute, and it's because we've been super busy moving into a new shop. I got a pregnant wife at home, so does Tyler, and there's been a lot to do. We launched Above the Tie a couple months ago. We're going to be back to a more YouTube focus over the next few months. So if you have any suggestions for content you'd like to see from us, for videos, questions you have that we could turn into a video, let me know, and we'll try to do that in the coming months. But today is all about batch three. And that's a quick reminder, because it's been a minute. The workshop is a place where we test things, limited edition, new finishes, new materials, and sometimes new designs. Batch three is the Blackbird, as you know it and love it, in aluminum with a beautiful nickel finish. So let's go to a top-down view and check it out. Here is the batch three aluminum Blackbird. And there's not a ton to talk about, but what I will talk about is our finish decisions. The most common finish with aluminum razors by far is an anodized finish. That's how you get those beautiful colors. But anodized, while it's a really good finish and can be quite protective, nickel plating, which we chose here, is just a better performing finish all around. First, it looks beautiful. It gives kind of a little bit of champagne tone. But more important than that is it is very scratch resistant, very durable, it's very hard, and it also has really good glide properties. So this is going to glide much better across your skin than the same razor anodized would be. Now, obviously, that nickel plating is a bit more expensive, but we think is easily worth it for the robustness and the performance properties that it gives. And so your batch 3 razor is a standard Blackbird safety bar. Nothing really to it. It's our first aluminum Blackbird. And we have a subtle batch 3 engraving, batch 3 laser etch down here in the corner. Really beautiful, still keeps the clean lines of the Blackbird. And every batch 3 comes with a matching stand. Also nickel plated, also beautiful. Before we plate these, by the way, and obviously nickel plating is something we can't do in-house, but everything else is done in-house, and we work with a nickel plating partner local to us here in San Diego that does incredible work. But first what we do is we machine this, obviously in-house, and then we go and do what's called vapor honing. Vapor honing is like sandblasting, but it's with water. So you have this water slurry that gives this really, really soft satin finish, especially on aluminum. And it's beautiful. This is a simple product, and we think you're going to really love it. It really is the most maneuverable Blackbird ever. Is it too light? I don't know. I don't really think so. I thought it might have been when we made it, but after using it, you do need to add some pressure, but it still performs incredibly well, and it's not too light. So that's batch 3. All right, guys, so I hope you liked that look at batch 3. I know you're going to love it. It's going to launch this weekend. Check out the description and also the product page, social media, email, all the places that we will contact you to see the exact date and time. You're going to want to be quick on this one. I think it'll probably sell out pretty quickly. Batch 2 sold out in 90 minutes or so, maybe a little bit less than that. We never know, but batch 3 could be the same. So, like I said, let me know if you have any questions about batch 3, the workshop, anything else, and we really do want to hear your content suggestions. So you can either wrap those up in an email or drop in the comments below. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks.